in the box!
Hi, and welcome to Poptography. My name's Patrick, and we're taking another look at one of the Christmas gifts I got from my wife, which is none other than Star Wars Funko Pop Maz Kanata 118. So this is one that I really kind of skipped. I wasn't a huge fan of collecting a lot of the Force Awakens pops when they first came out. This one, I went back and I thought about it. This is one that I kind of saw sitting at one of my local collector shops, the Toy Vault at Warwick Mall. And when I went back in to see about picking this one up, it was gone. So I knew that my wife must have taken this off my list. So I was very excited to finally get this one. It was different because Maz Kanata, one, has her goggles up, and two, she's holding the Skywalker lightsaber hilt in her hand, like as though she's handing it off to somebody. And I thought that was really unique. So without further ado, let's get this bad boy open and take a look at Maz. And as you can see, this is one of the earlier pops that still came off the Funko bases, which I wish they still did this. For me, photographing, I would have really liked the option just to do this. I don't really want to take hot water and pry them off their bases. It's not always clean and easy to do. So let's take a look at Maz. Again, one of those pops that I let slip by. It was an earlier pop, but with a lot of great detail on her. And you can see she's got that lightsaber hilt she's holding in her hand. Very, very great detail in her headpiece, the goggles, her little prune-like face. Just so many great details on this. And she's a small little character, probably the size of an Ugnaught, which is kind of cool when you see all that detail, even on a very, very small character. But she looks great. I'm going to put this on the turntable so you can get a better look at her. If you enjoyed today's content, please hit the like, definitely hit the subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of Poptography. Until then, may the Force be with you.